Welcome to all. Today we discuss about torsion. Here, torsion means nothing but twisting of an object due to an applied torque. Here, torque is the twisting force that tends to causes rotations. We discuss about a torsion of your body. Torsion of your body is nothing but when your body is fluid at one end and twisted above its axis by means of a torque at the other end. The body is said torsion. A body is said torsion. Here, torsion is involves sharing strain and so the models involved is the rigidity models. Rigidity models. Here we discuss in this section torsion of a cylinder, expression for torque per unit twist. Let us consider cylindrical wire. That cylindrical wire length is L and radius A, fixed and upper end twisted through an angle theta by applying torque at the lower end. Consider the cylinder to consist of infinite number of hollow coaxial cylinders. Let us consider one cylinder to consist of an infinite number of hollow coaxial cylinders. Consider one such cylinder of radius x and thickness dx. Here you see on the figure a line such as AB initially parallel, AB initially parallel, AB initially parallel to the axis O dash of the cylinder is displaced to the position A and B dash through an angle 5. Through an angle 5, the position of A, B dash an angle 5 due to twisting torque. Here, the result of twisting the cylinder is shear strain. The angle of shear equal to angle B dash. The angle B dash equal to 5. Now B dash. Now B dash x dot theta equal to L5 or phi equal to x dot theta divided by L. We have rigidity models G equal to shearing stress divided by angle of shear. We have already know rigidity models G equal to shearing stress divided by angle of chair. Chairing truss equal to G dot 5 equal to Gx theta divided by L. But chairing truss equal to chairing force divided by area which the force act. Here chairing truss equal to chairing force divided by area on which the force act. Chairing force equal to chairing truss multiply area on which the force act. The area over which the chairing force act equal to 25x into dx. Hence, the chairing force F equal to gx theta divided by L with multiply 25x into dx. The moment of this force about the axis OOS of the cylinder equal to gx into theta divided by L 25x dx dot x equal to 25 g theta divided by L multiply x cube into dx. Twisting torque on the old cylinder. Twisting torque on the old cylinder C equal to 0 to A, C equal to integral 0 to A 2 phi g theta divided by L into x cube and dx. Here x is the constant term, so we integrate with respect to x. Then we'll get finally C equal to 5 g a power 4 theta divided by 2L. The torque per unit twist, the torque for unit twist, that is the torque when theta equal to 1. The torque when theta equal to 1 radian, that time we get C equal to 5 GA power 4 divided by 2L. How do you get this form? The torque is when theta equal to 1. We substitute here theta equal to 1. Then we get C equal to 5 G A power 4 divided by 2L. Some important notes. When an external torque is applied on the cylindrical to twist it, once an internal torque due to elastic force comes into play, in the equilibrium position, these two torques will be equal and opposite. In the equilibrium position, these two torques will be equal and opposite. Note 2. If the material is in the form of hollow cylinder, if the material is form of hollow cylinder of internal radius A and external B, then the torque acting on the cylinder, C equal to integration A to B 25 g theta divided by L into x cube dx. Here x is the constant. We want to integral with respect to x into dx. So the torque acting on the cylinder C equal to 5 g theta divided by 2L B power 4 minus A power 4. Finally, the torque per unit twist C equal to 5 into G bracket B power 4 minus A power 4 bracket divided by 2L. The torque for unit twist, the torque for unit twist C equal to 5 into G bracket B power 4 minus A power 4 close bracket divided by 2L. This is the very important 5 marks question, and also university sometimes they may arise 1 mark question. Torque for unit twist C equal to 5 into G B power 4 minus A power 4 divided by 2L. This is the 1 mark question, also very important. We'll discuss next topic next class. Thank you so much.